What is a brachioplasty? First of all, brachioplasty is an operation that is done to improve the appearance of your arm. It literally means an operation to change the shape of the arm. And typically this is going to be an operation that's done for patients who have loose hanging skin on the arm, usually the upper arm, and they may also have some adipose tissue under the skin, some fat that they'd like to get rid of. A lot of patients who come in for brachioplasty surgery are complaining because they can't find blouses and tops that work well for them. Their body seems to be smaller than the arm, and there's kind of a mismatch there, and this is very distressing for them. So the brachioplasty operation can help to correct that, and there are a variety of techniques that we use depending on what the patient needs. So if you come into the office for a brachioplasty consultation, the first thing we're going to do is make a diagnosis. And that's how every surgery should start out. So we're going to look at your upper extremities, your arms, and we're going to see how much loose skin is there, what's the distribution of the loose skin, is there extra adipose tissue that also needs to be removed to get the best contour. Do you have loose skin under your arms and on the side of your chest as well? Because often the incision from a brachioplasty is going to extend onto that area. Are you a massive weight loss patient who has diffuse laxity of skin on multiple areas of the body that may need to be taken into consideration? Or are you someone who just has a small amount of loose skin in the upper arm near the underarm area that needs a minor procedure? So that's the first thing we're going to look at. In addition, we'll check your health history, make sure you're in good health. And then we'll come up with a plan with you for how to do this. The biggest issue for patients in deciding to have a brachioplasty is the scar, because you're trading shape for a scar in this procedure, and the scar can be fairly long. The scar can be camouflaged on the inside of the arm, or the scar can be placed, the incision can be placed on the back of the arm, and this can give you even more dramatic removal of skin laxity, but obviously at the cost of a more visibly placed incision. So that's something that we're going to talk about with the patient in terms of how we proceed. The reason that the incision on the back of the arm gives more dramatic shaping is because this is a problem of gravity. Gravity is pulling that loose skin down, and if we go right at it on the back of the arm, then that takes care of the problem exactly where it is, instead of pulling up skin to remove it on the inside of the arm. Nevertheless, most people prefer to have that scar camouflaged on the inside of the arm so that when they're walking around, if they want to wear a short sleeve or sleeveless garment, you won't see the scar on the inside of the arm. So when we do the operation, it's done at a surgery center. It's done under general anesthesia, typically with a board-certified anesthesiologist. There typically are no sutures to come out. Sutures or stitches are inside and they will dissolve. After the operation, patients are going to have pain medication as needed, antibiotics, something for nausea if they need it from the anesthesia or pain medication. Typically, in the postoperative period, they'll be wearing some compression sleeves and silicone gel inserts to help maintain the scar as thin and good looking and healing as fast as possible. It does make a difference. The arm changes shape a lot when you use the arm, and that tension from the muscle movement on the skin can result in a scar that's not as good. So we typically are going to be doing scar management for 3 to 6 months after brachioplasties to get the best result. Typically, this is not a very painful operation for most people because we're not doing anything to the muscle or the muscle fascia or the bones. It's a skin operation which may be combined with liposuction. The key thing with doing the brachioplasty technically is that you need to be aware of the anatomy and protect the lymphatic structures that drain the arm so you don't have swelling in the arm for a protracted period of time. Done properly, this typically does not occur. So after surgery, you're going to go home the same day. We're going to see you in the office the next day, change your dressings, and then we would typically see you back at 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 week rather, 2 weeks 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, anytime in between if you need anything. Initially, you'll have some activity restrictions in terms of lifting and using your arms, but you'll be able to take a shower, wash your hair, do things like that 2 days after surgery. You want to keep your arms elevated right after surgery. That helps to reduce swelling in the arms. So if you think that you're a candidate for brachioplasty surgery or you'd like more information, you can contact us at the office at 602-375-8888 or visit our website at www.drangelchik.com. We look forward to being of service. Thank you.